World Vision team in East Darfur arrived in Khazan Jadid under Shairia locality and met with 7,500 IDPs who arrived from Al Fashar as a result of the recent conflict there, and among them is 5,500 children. So their situation is really miserable. Some arrived using donkey carts, and some arrived on their foot, and a little number arrived by trucks. So from Al Fasha to Khazan Jadid, according to the IDBs, some families arrived after 15 days, others arrived in 7 days, while others arrived by 5 days. And that depends on the family size and number of people who are moving together. So when they arrive there, only World Vision team on ground register them and provide psychosocial support to them, and really they are in need for shelter, NFIs, food, water. So the children look very weary, and they are very slim because of lack of nutrition. Even the pregnant ladies also, they are very weak and very sad. According to the information received, there are some unaccompanied and separated children arrived with the families. Even they don't know where their parents. Even the family members are also unknown. So the situation there is very critical, and there is no any support provided by any NGO or INGO up to date, and only initiatives from the community who provide food for the people to now register these arrivals, and is still keeping an eye on the new arrivals. Up to yesterday, there are some around 15 household arrive, and they have been registered. So immediate support needed is the medication, shelter and NFIs, and food for the children. And really even the situation cannot be described. The women only use their local clothes like top to shelter from the sun and from the wind for their children during the day hotness and the coldness at night. So that is the situation of the IDBs. Really, we are asking for support, immediate intervention to rescue these families and these people who are affected badly by the current situation in Al Fasha.